respect. बट कहीं कहीं ऐसे सिनेरियोज देखे जाते हैं जहां पे मेडिकल सेल्स रिप्रेजेंटेटिव तो कंप्लीट होता है, बट डॉक्टर स्टिल हैज इट्स प्री perceived notion about this field, and he doesn't give respect. So when I say he doesn't give respect, maybe he talks vulgar, maybe he's talking maybe unethically. So what is the red line? Because it's very important that one has to set up the red line, that once the doctor cross this line, so is it that is there any red line in this field that so suppose if doctor cross this line, so a medical sales representative has to stop meeting with them?
See, Dr. Deepak, now
you think it's a tough question?
about no, it's not a tough question. See, answer has to be given with integrity. आपने जो ये सारा सवाल किया, ये सब इंटीग्रिटी के आसपास घूमता है. ये वही बात हो गई कि रात का टाइम 11 बजे का टाइम है, पुलिस वाला कोई है नहीं, हम ट्रैफिक लाइट के पास आते हैं, तो डेफिनेटली नॉर्मली इट हैपेंस विद ऑल कम्युनिटीज, वी क्रॉस द रेड लाइट. Whereas if we are perfectly on integrity track, हम रुकेंगे, कोई देख रहा है नहीं देख रहा है, we will follow the every rule with integrity. Same is true in this profession also, same is true with this interaction also, same is true with the customers who are doctors in this field. So if we see कि integrity की, see, सबसे most important we have to see ourselves. Second is we have to see about the customer, that means our doctors who are respected fraternity of our community. So with ourselves, are we perfect? If we are perfect, अगर हम परिपक्व हैं हर तरीके से, और एक डॉक्टर के चैम्बर में जा रहा है और वो डॉक्टर रिस्पेक्ट नहीं कर रहा, वो डॉक्टर आपकी बात सुन नहीं रहा, and he is not giving you time and he is talking about unethical, what you talked about, unethical things. So I will strongly recommend that we should not meet those type of customers. एक sales representative को उन customers को नहीं मिलना चाहिए. So what is more important? See, on back of mind, हमारे दिमाग में हमेशा एक अच्छा इंटीग्रिटी वाला, एक फॉलो करने वाला एक MSR या एक वैसे ही एक कॉमन लाइफ में एक इंसान, उसके दिमाग में हमेशा पीछे चलता रहेगा कि मैंने एक गलत काम किया. तो अगर हम किसी ऐसे गलत आदमी के साथ इंटरेक्ट कर रहे हैं, गलत आदमी से मिल रहे हैं, तो इट इज बेटर वी डोंट मीट देम, अदरवाइज दे आर गोइंग टू पास ऑन द नेगेटिव एनर्जी टू अस आल्सो. So why to take that negative energy? So it is better we stay away from those people who are unethical, who are rude, who don't want to listen. But first of all, हमें अपने आप को पहले देखना है कि are we complete in every sense? Then we can see to it whether we want to interact with him or not. So that is going to be more important in picking up our customers also.
Thank you, Mr. Ramesh. You have given a lot of insights to us. Dear viewers, it's very important what Mr. Ramesh has to say. He said that integrity or the respect in the doctor's chamber start by respecting yourself first. Once you respect yourself, you automatically will prepare the call and think that when I am going there, what difference I am making to the patients and doctors. With this, I will like to thanks to Mr. Ramesh Kol for his valuable time. Thank you, sir. Thank you very much.
Thank you. My pleasure always.